Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to change your profile photo on X using a picture from your phone's gallery. Whether you want to refresh your look or update your brand, you can do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your profile picture. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner and tap your profile picture. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, on your profile page, tap on your current profile photo again. A small menu will appear here. Tap on Edit. You'll see different options for updating your picture. Choose the one that says Choose Existing Photo. This is the option that lets you pick an image directly from your device's photo gallery. Once your gallery opens, browse through your photos and select the one you want to use as your new profile photo. You can take a moment to find the image that best represents you or your page. After selecting the photo, X will give you the option to adjust it. Use your fingers to zoom in, zoom out, or reposition the photo until it looks exactly how you want it. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Save. X will upload the photo and instantly update your profile with your new image. The change should appear right away on your profile and for anyone who visits your page. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile photo on X using an image from your gallery. A new profile picture can make your account stand out and give your followers a fresh impression of your personal or brand identity. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and leave a like, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more updated tutorials on using X effectively.